Good day, everyone. Before I introduce myself, may I ask a question first? What comes in your mind if you hear estrus and AI or artificial insemination? When we say estrus, it is a time when a female animal is fertile and willing to mate, while AI is a process where sperm cells are collected from male animals and manually deposited into the reproductive tract of a female. This technique is used to increase the efficacy of breeding and reduce the physical stress associated with natural. Hi, my name is Adeline Vivian and the presenter of estrus synchronization and artificial insemination in goats during low breeding season, a primarily study A by Mehod SMH Andrabe and Anwar and M. Rafi. Let's start. Abstract: a pilot project, artificial insemination or AI in a farm goats using chilled semen. Those were synchronized with progesterone and pregnant vaginal sponges for 11 days, and then fixed-time insemination was performed twice. Pregnancy pregnancy tests were conducted at 45 days post-insemination. Results shown 94.5% of those shown heat signs, and 29.4% had a pregnancy rate. The study suggested the feasibility of using synchronization to fix time AI during low breeding season to enhance reproductive efficacy in local goats. Introduction: goats are adaptable to harsh environments, producing in a various climatic conditions. Pakistan, the third largest goats producing country, has a estimated 53.8 million heads of goats. Breeding activities varies seasonally, with low at May and August and high in September to December seasons. The variability affects production distribution, causing scarcity on religious and social occasions. Artificial insemination or EI was evaluated as a viable method of goats breeding in Pakistan based on low breeding season, since natural mating and government livestock farms do not contribute significantly to develop of AI breeding. Materials and methods. Of course, animals first, especially goats. 18 nondescript multiparous non-pregnant does were chosen by farmers in Rawat district, Rawalpindi, for synchronization and AI experimentation. They are also dewormed with 10% albendazole, and their cyclicity was observed. Heat synchronization. In May 2010, experimental doses were administered progesterone in pregnant vaginal sponges for 11 days, followed by intramuscular injection of clop, clopro, cloproste, clopos, clop, 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 clopostenol and equal chlororic gonadotropin 48 hours before to remove a sign of heat were absorbed in the animals. Materials and method. Extender preparation. Trisaminomethane and citric acid were dissolved in water to create tricitric acid buffer or TCA. Fructose, antibiotics, and egg yolk were used to make the extender. 10 grams of skim milk extender were dissolved in water to make it after being heat treated. The extenders were cooled and kept at negative 20 degrees Celsius. Semen collection and preservation. Using an artificial vagina, semen was extracted from a bag and heat to 37 degrees Celsius in a water bath. The volume, sperm concentration, and motility of the sample were assessed within a day. The ejaculated was chilled, diluted with TCA or SM extender, and separated with aliquots for AI. Artificial insemination. The trial includes 17 fixed-time vaginal AI procedure, 2 inseminations, and an ultrasound pregnancy test conducted 45 days after conception. Chi-square analysis was used to compare pregnancy rate data. Result and discussion. Within 48 hours of interval vaginal sponge application, 94.5% of goats exhibit heat detections, and 78% of them continued to be in heated 12 to 24 hours after the sponges are removed. The way a breed is treated, managed, and may affect the estrus response. In low breeding goats, the study found a pregnancy rate of 29.4%. However, in those inseminated with SM extender, the rate was higher at 44.4 compared to 12.5 with TCA-based extender. Only 3 live births were the result of an intentional death of 2 does. The average pregnancy rate with AI in France was found to be 65%, shows in Table 1 efficacy of heat synchronization protocols in those during low breeding season. Nose treated heat with 6 hours, percent heat with 6 to 12 hours, heat within 12 to 24 hours, all over in heat is 18 1 5.5 to 11 14 78 17 90 4.5 vaginal sponge from a day 1 to 11 injection ECG and cloprostenol in 9 days. Table 2 pregnancy rate during low breeding season in those inseminated with a beta Bach semen extender in citric acid or skim milk based extender group. Inseminated pregnancy rate citric acid 8 and 1/8, 12.5, skim milk 9, 9, 9 in 4 and 9, 44.4, all over 17, 517 to 29.4. First AI at 43 to 45 hours after vaginal sponge removed, followed by second AI at 12 hours interval. Value of pregnancy rate differ number significance. Result and discussion. The efficacy of AI in extending semen was demonstrated in Pakistan with the successful implementation of AI and joking in heat synchronized dose. To get the best conception rates, more study on AI techniques and estrus synchronization is required. Acknowledgement. The study support by RADP Subproject AS5 from Pakistan Agriculture Research Council recognized the technical staff service of 4 back and semen collection, maintenance in ARC, the Small Ruminant and Animal Productions Program. These are the references that, and thank you and good morning, everyone. Thank you for listening.